Welcome to Style Skating. We're going to come back to crossovers today again and work on backward crossovers. Backward crossovers skaters use every day, mostly going into the jumps and spins, and also for connecting steps in the programs. Most important in backward crossovers is to understand bending your knees and ankles and keeping your upper body over your feet. So we're going to start from just steps to the side and cross to work on weight shift from one foot to another. Then the second exercise, we're going to try to just do regular swizzle and not even worry about weight transfer for now, and just 2-foot swizzle into cross leg position, trying to get comfortable with this movement. And let's see in slow motion now. It's a just regular backward swizzle, and then we're trying to cross legs together. Keep your knees bent, and when you push with outside leg, now it's left leg, turn out that left leg and try to get that heel in front of your skating leg. So push, turn out, and slide that heel in cross leg position. We're going to start other way, and you can see now he really staying over his left leg much better and doing 1-foot swizzle instead of regular swizzle. You can see his right leg working more than his left, and you can see this again in a slow motion. Pushing with right leg, staying over your left, and then turn out right foot and try to cross in front. If you straighten your left leg too early, see how he cut his toe with his heel, and then he couldn't cross his leg. So you need to make sure that you're sitting on that skating leg, on the left leg right now, while you're crossing feet with your right foot. And now, same skater, couple months later, much better crossovers, and we learn how to bend knees and ankles and sit while he crossing his legs. His alignment for beginner skater is very good. If you look, we're going to freeze that frame. You look at his head in the direction of his movement, twist with his shoulders, and a really good bend knees and ankles while he crossing his legs. We're going to do same other direction. We have some mistakes here to fix, and we're going to fix this during this video. If you look closely in the next slow motion, you can see the difference between when he started and his second push going too much back because he straightened his knees too early. His legs didn't come together yet, and his legs already straight. And as a result, his second push going way too much back and not cross under. And then I gave him corrections, and he started paying attention to his skating leg and sit while he cross, which make his crosses much better. Again, you can see here his knees bent much better and his feet closer together. Then he start pushing under. Still a lot of improvement can be made because it's all beginner skaters. And then with other skater, we were really concentrating on that second push under. She trying really hard to keep her leg after second push in a cross leg position and keep her legs bent. Again, upper body need to be in twist position, and you have to look in the direction of your movement. It will help you to twist your upper body better, and also you can see skaters and not run into anybody when you go backwards. So it's safety. Now, next couple exercises, just to feel again your knees and ankles bent. We're going to do with double plie. Bend, straight, bend, and then cross, bend, straight, bend. Working really hard on keeping that after second push, your free leg under. See, you're not holding on that direction. Let's see other way. So this one is better. You can see cross leg position after second push. And then keep doing double plie. Keep your back straight and try to push your knee forward against your boot to feel ankles bent. Another good exercise, running crossovers, both directions. When you run, you will have to work with your knees and ankles. So that will help you with your crossovers. And then this really my favorite exercise, when you split your crossover into 4 counts and you go 2-foot glide, push, 2-foot glide, push. So you glide with 2 feet together, then first push, then cross leg, and then push with other foot. So take your time, even count till 2 or 3 on each step. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can even do it slower. And then you can work on power and make your circles bigger, make your speed faster, and keep pushing to get a lot of power. My channel has more videos on forward and backward crossovers for different levels of skating, and you can find them in the description below this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel.